The Centurion Shift is a driver assist device that's designed to bolster the handling and maneuverability of the boat. Over the past couple months, Camille and I have been able to use the Centurion Shift on our boat. We use it most in these 4 situations: getting the boat off the trailer, docking the boat, moving the boat around the marina, and picking up a fallen rider. We always use it in conjunction with the other inboard boat driving skills that we've acquired through the years, such as throttle position and control, along with steering. The benefits we have witnessed are better control in reverse, more agility around the dock and in the marina, and more control when turning around to pick up a fallen rider. This is how the Livorsi throttle controls are wired. Pressing the button up engages the Centurion Shift and moves the transom of the boat to the right. As you can see right here, the prop wash from the shift is now moving the boat to the right, or the starboard side. Pressing the button down will move the transom of the boat to the left. As you can see, the prop wash from the shift is moving the transom of the boat to the left, also known as the port side. A simple way to think about it, if we were to flip the throttle on its side like this, then hitting this button is going to move the transom to the right. Hitting this button is going to move the transom to the left. The system is designed to protect your batteries and the electrical system of your boat. The system will allow for 40 seconds of runtime before it needs to cool down. The cooldown is for 3.5 minutes. This cooldown is necessary so that your batteries aren't drained and to make sure that your alternator can keep up with powering all of the electrical systems on your boat. Part of the reason I explain this is because I know you, and after watching these videos, you're going to go out and test your Centurion Shift, and after 40 seconds of runtime, it might shut off for a period to allow the cooldown, and you might get frustrated and be like, it's not working. But we had you in mind when we designed the system. The cooldown period of 3.5 minutes is to protect the longevity of your boat. Camille and I use this to our benefit. When using the shift, we use it in small spurts and at the most beneficial times. If you're like us, getting the boat on and off the trailer is something we do often. Here's a video on how the Centurion Shift can help. Tap or click the screen here, subscribe, and I'll see you there.